Over the last 11 weeks, we've seen 41,000 people in 5 African countries. We've trained over 500 teachers to deliver engaging science with simple items, and I think most importantly, we trained over 160 local Africans. A big part of Circus Africa is really kind of planting a seed so that African countries can carry this on. So we train locals, we donate them equipment, PA systems, whole exhibitions so that they can keep running the circus when we're gone. And we just couldn't have achieved all this without the strong partnership between the ANU and Questacon, the support from the Australian government, and of course the wonderful organisations we partnered with in Africa.
There are very many topics to do with the quality of life, both the economic and the social lives of countries that are driven by understanding of science, but also its application. And one of the things which science centres and programs like the ones which we've developed with the Australian National University that will be piloting here first and then taking to Southern Africa, really are programs that drive the creativity, the curiosity, and the capacity to innovate and create what I would call productive creativity. And these are really the things that drive economies and societies.
Visiting countries like South Africa, Botswana, Zambia, Namibia and Malawi. In 4 days, we are targeting 90 secondary schools in Mauritius, targeting over 6,000 students, initiating them to the world of science.
When we wrote the shows and the exhibits, you'd always think, all right, how can we make this relevant to Africa? But of course, when you get over there, you find all this stuff you never would have thought was out there. For example, we're doing sound experiments with the little straw trumpet. You know, you cut the straw, it makes the little trumpet noise. And as we're doing it, this kid comes up and he's got this bit of, cut up kind of bamboo reed with a plastic bag on the end. And we're like, what? And then he starts playing it. So, he's using the same concepts that we're teaching, but really interpreted in an African way. The great thing about this program is, we totally smashed the kind of numbers that we thought we'd saw, outcomes much bigger than what we thought. So it's got a chance to really, hit a number of development goals. If you think about things like, health, sanitation, they're all underpinned by science. And so that makes science education a really critical thing, particularly in these countries where the formal science education is not in good shape. And if you look at informal science education, it's basically non-existent. So Questacon, the ANU and the Australian government are really trying to plant that seed.